Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are here in Nashville, Tennessee. We're getting ready to take you guys to a restaurant that is owned by Pat Martin, the same owner of Martin's BBQ, which has been featured on many Food Network TV shows, including Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. We're very excited to be taking you guys along with us here today to
Hugh Babies. Hugh Babies. Woo!
guys, and here is the menu. Here are the hot dogs to the left. They've got a ballpark dog, a slaw dog, chili cheese dog, hand-cut fries, chili cheese fries, double cheeseburger, single cheeseburger, barbecue burger, trim and Swiss burger, veggie burger. There is the world-famous slug burger, which was invented in Corinth, Mississippi back in the early 1900s during the Depression era and World War II. And basically what it is ground up pork, and sometimes they'll use other extenders such as soy and grits. Over here is the barbecue piece of the menu. Pulled pork sandwich, bologna sandwich. They do have milkshakes, and as they call it in Nashville, Coca-Colas. All right, so here's what we got. Gentry and Henry are splitting a turkey sandwich and a barbecue sandwich. I got the double cheeseburger with a comeback sauce. There's a lot of ingredients to the comeback sauce, but they said it's basically like a Thousand Island sauce. It looks like there's a little mayonnaise in there as well. And then Jennifer got the veggie burger, and then the boys got some fries to share. Jennifer got some fries. Henry looks like he's enjoyed them already. And I also got a slaw dog. So very excited to be diving into that slaw dog. It has coleslaw, chili, and it looks like there's also some mustard in there as well. All right, Jennifer, so tell us a little bit more about that veggie burger that you got there.
So first of all, it's house made every day, and it has smoked black beans, smoked cashews, and smoked mushrooms. And it looks so good. It looks like it's got a good crust on it, which I love. And I love a good veggie burger. It also has Swiss cheese, onion, pickles, lettuce, and a big old slice of tomato. And it comes with comeback sauce, and I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, so I got it on the side. I've dipped my fry in it, and it's really good. So this is really tasty and flavorful. It's got really good spices in there. It's not spicy, it's just very savory. And I really like the crunch on the outside, along with all the vegetables that it comes with on the potato roll. So Brent, what are you trying out?
I'm ready to try their slaw dog out today. And you can see the slaw. Right there's the mustard. It smells delicious. So one thing I want to say about Hugh Babies is everything is made house-made. They hand cut their own fries. When it comes to the chili sauce, it's all made here. The barbecue that the boys are eating right now, they smoke it with hickory wood for 18 to 20 hours to get that nice, beautiful taste. You can tell, we've had a little bite of the barbecue, and you can tell this is definitely owned by Pat Martin because it is some exceptional barbecue. It's very good. Here we go. That is a delicious slaw dog. You've got the great, wonderful taste of the meat, and it's not a sweet meat. It's almost like a little smoky meat that they have in there, but then you also have the sweetness of the coleslaw. This is outstanding. I'm a big fan of this, and honestly, I may get another one before we leave because this is really delicious. All right, Henry, you've tried some of the barbecue. What do you think?
It was good, and I liked the fries, and I liked the dish.
Tell us a little bit about that turkey burger that you've already dove into there.
This is really good, and I gotta say, I'll definitely come back to this.
And Jennifer got some fries with her meal.
These are really good. These are hand-cut fries, and they're just simply seasoned with, it looks like salt and fresh cracked black pepper. They're not spicy or anything. And they're not too salty, not greasy. They're just great.
So the fries here are perfectly seasoned. Just the crispiness and the goodness of it. It's so good. you definitely got to come here for the fries.
And Jennifer, go ahead and tell us what's in that comeback sauce.
So there's lots of ingredients. They named just a few, so we would kind of like get what the taste would be. And it has mayonnaise, ketchup, Dijon, Worcestershire. I believe it was like dill pickle relish and all kinds of good spices in there. It's really tangy and zesty and very good. If you like Worcestershire and you like Thousand Island, it's kind of a mixture of that, but with even more like barbecue type of spices. Really unique.
First bite of the double cheeseburger. This reminds me of a burger that is very famous out west. Very famous out west. And we're getting ready to see those come here to Tennessee. In fact, Brentwood, Tennessee is going to be the first city where they're going to have the East headquarters here in the United States. Some of the flavor profiles are very similar to that very famous Western burger chain. All right, final bill for all of the food was $44.51 before tax. And as you'll notice, kids' drinks are free. That was Hugh Baby's. Gidry, what do you think about Hugh Baby's?
I gotta say, you should definitely come to this place just for the fries. Man, the seasoning, the crispiness, the crunchy, you gotta come here.
I didn't get the fries. I regret that decision now. I tried some. They were pretty good. Tried some of Jennifer's comeback sauce. Henry, what did you think about Hugh Baby's?
It was good, and I liked it.
Did you like the turkey sandwich or the barbecue sandwich better?
The turkey sandwich.
It's pretty good?
Yeah.
All right. And Jennifer.
I really enjoyed this place from the moment we walked in. We had great service. They were very friendly, kind, willing to explain everything to us, like what was in the sauce and different things like that. Very happily, told us all that. The veggie burger, oh my gosh, really, really love that. You could taste every vegetable that was in there. The crunch of the cashews made the outside crispy, and the black beans gave it that savory taste. So good. All the vegetables on there were amazing as well. The soft potato roll, and then the fries. Have to agree with everyone. The fries were great. The boys were even trying to take the rest of my fries on there because they scooped theirs up really quickly. And I really did enjoy the comeback sauce as well. I really liked all the flavors that were in that.
I will say when it comes to the burger that I had, it tasted very similar to an In-N-Out burger. And I mean that in a good way. I enjoy In-N-Out. It's high quality ingredients. And right here at Hugh Baby's, it's high quality ingredients. Everything that they have, including the comeback sauce, is house made. Again, with the barbecue sauce, it's hickory smoked from 18 to 20 hours every single day right here in-house. I will say the chili dog, and typically if I go to like a ballpark, the chili dog is something that I don't really enjoy. It's just like that cheap meat. This did not have that taste. It was high quality, very flavorful, very tasty, and I really enjoyed it. Going back to that slug burger, it's only available on Fridays. The slug burger is named a slug burger because a nickel used to be nicknamed a slug, and you could get the slug burger for only 5 cents. Not a very appetizing name, but we'd love to come back here on a Friday and try it out and hopefully film it for you guys. So guys, we thank you so much for joining us here at Hugh Baby's in Nashville, Tennessee, and we sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Woo!
All right, boys, where are we heading right now?
Circus. The circus.
Who is that?
Sweet pea.
Also known as your Gaga, right?
That was the one that took on my
There's Sparky. He's turning me into Gaga.
And here are just a few of the people who have played here at Municipal Auditorium. Aerosmith, there's Queen, right here's Bruce Springsteen, Billy Joel, the Jacksons, and even this guy, Elvis Presley.
Jennifer, are you having fun?
I am.
Ah!